In Calgary, the street becomes a bustling arena where top food trucks showcase fearless flavors. From maple-smoked brisket to buffalo bannock burgers, each bite tells a story of grit, innovation, and local heritage. Rivalry heats as rivals swap tips, chase perfect timing, and push sustainability with zero waste and electric grills. Behind the flames, owners share late nights, family recipes, and a dream to put Calgary on the map. Viewers are invited to taste the scene, celebrate camaraderie, and explore rotating truck lineups across the city.